puts customers at its heart. Yujin Xiamen Plastic Manufacturing Company Limited. Good quality is just because of long experience. Success comes from perseverance. Since inception in 2008, Yujin has always adhered to the philosophy of integrity first. With a focus on R&D and the production of wiper blades for passenger vehicles. By constantly innovating and improving quality, we lead the wiper blade industry and continue to outperform the standards. Development comes from innovation. Here at Yujin, we take cues from the market, but continuously consolidate our professional strength through a strong platform of research and development. We explore new technologies, research and develop new products, establish new standards, and keep innovating. We have dozens of patents and over 100 independently developed wiper blades designs. With the foundation of excellent technology and quality, we bring the spirit of exquisite craftsmanship to the wiper blade market. Quality comes from focus. Detail-oriented production processes are the only way to guarantee quality. At Yujin, we are proud to be the first in the wiper blade industry to have a fully automated production line. We strictly control every step in the production process. We've implemented success management in all areas. We strive for excellence in both our products and technology, and we have formulated standardized operational procedures to help constantly improve our production processes to ensure precision engineer the products. We expect excellence, not mere greatness. At Yujin, we're proud to introduce to you our suite of brands, including BaoYi, HSD, YZQ, and YZX. We lead the industry in terms of performance, durability, and noise reduction. Our wiper blades are manufactured using the highest quality materials. Aerodynamic principles are central to our specialized engineering processes. Our excellent product quality and service is proven over time. Our quality is certified at the highest level. Some of the international standards we've achieved are ISO 9001, SGS, and IATF 16949. Yujin has received the honorary title of Xiamen Innovative Enterprise, Quality and Reputation Unit, Love Enterprise, and Social Enterprise. We've established our reputation locally. Now, we are ready to grow. Mutual success comes from working closely with our customers. Over almost 2 decades, Yujin has presented their products on the world stage at global trade events held in Germany, France, the United States, the UAE, Russia, and across China. We export our wiper blades to 52 countries and have made steady progress in helping to build international brands across the world. Yujin has won the recognition and trust of many well-known automotive brands across the world. Momentum is building. We are ready to take off. Yujin's corporate culture of honesty, innovation, and initiative is attracting the best minds. We integrate our personal ideals into the common vision of the enterprise, and together we grow as a team. We look to the horizon and to long-term success. After 10 years honing our expertise and technology, we are ready to set forth on the global stage. Baoyi, clearer vision. Yujin Xiamen Plastic Manufacturing Company Limited.